Morning. It was quite good last night. I had 4 fish in all. One instant action and the signature pop-up snowman. I didn't have nothing last night. Not a bite. The fish are coming out from the marker just out here in the riverbed. Just to the right of that marker. It's unbelievable because I've got 2 to the right of it, right? And only one of them's going, but they're really tight together. And my dad's got 2 to the left of it. I think it's just down to the hook baits what we're using. We change them all over to the same what I got the bites on yesterday, and we'll see. It's a glorious morning here. He's snoring his head off. There's a little safari tent. There's a bad Titan.
Alright, yeah mate. Second day in. We've had a double run. Second double run today. Dad's had a 26 pound. 26 pound. 26 and a half. Common. Okay. There's a 30 pound mirror there. There you go. Oh no, Minnie's a bit lively. He's been in the sack. Can we see them, can we? Yeah, a bit towards me. That's it. In yeah? 2 nice fish. We get some pictures of them now. Have it. Go on then, boy, get round there, turn that camera off.
Wait then, Dad.
I don't know how big it is yet, but...
Nice one, isn't it?
He's a nice lump, yeah.
Put it out there, 5 seconds it went, didn't it?
Yeah, 5 seconds, that's all it took, wasn't it? Literally 5 seconds before he got back.
Well done, Winkle. Well winkled.
Oh, mate. You don't need to go to the gym when you're catching fish like this, I tell you. It's chaos. It's carnage in the swim. There's rods everywhere. We ain't got no more slings left, have we? Nothing. It's absolute carnage.
Have a couple of photographs with me.
There's the donkey.
Yeah.
Big spawned out female fish.
Peach.
Get a picture of it now.
Yeah, that's it, mate.
That's lovely, isn't it, Dad?
Yeah, it's a nice big, nice fat one, isn't he? You only like them when they look like you, don't you?
It's a proper fish, that, isn't it? Back she goes. There she goes, mate. Yes, have it.
Well, tell me what's happening.
Well, I winkled it. Danny went up to get put the battery on charge, and his rod roared away. And then this one popped his head up.
That's a big one, isn't it?
Yeah, mate. Winkled.
You
don't reckon it's £50, but I reckon it's 50. For one, Dan, it wasn't £50. It was £43. 4 ounces. Caught on your rods, but I managed this little baby on mine. A little while after. £28 common. Peach of a fish. His tail's all right now, look.
Yeah, it is, yeah. I'll take a picture.
Go on if you want, mate, yeah.
There you go, I took the picture of it. It's
done?
Good. Yeah.
Alright then, let's get him back in the drink then, eh?
What's it got then, Dad? How big's it?
Well, £44 on a nail, mate.
It's the second 40, isn't it?
Second 40.
Alright then, Danny, tell us all about it, mate.
Well, third one this morning.
Third one this morning, yeah.
I had a couple of 120 something. 24.
No, you had 25 and a half.
25 and a half, a 30 earlier.
A 31, and this one we don't know the weight of it yet, do we?
It's about 30. It's about 37, 36,
yeah.
37.
It's a puck of fish, mate. Only thing is, I think you should have gone and have a shave, mate, because you look a bit like a gitan, you know, at the moment.
Get in there, innit?
Get in there, mate. Well, ripping it up at the domain de Itonmont. 27 fish now.
Yeah. 240s. About
240s. About 1030s.
Maybe more than that.
Excellent, mate. go. Danny's just had a nice 30 pounder. Had to go out in the boat to get it, but yeah.
Have it?
That's a lovely fish, isn't it?
Yeah, we'll take some pictures now.
And take some pictures, yeah. Okay, mate.
There we go. Iton de Mont. April 2015. £38.
Yeah, you didn't win call that one, you called that one.
No, I caught this one on my own rods for a change.
Well done, Dad.
There you go.
What did you come on? Signature boilies?
Signature boilie, yeah.
And a Nash bottom bait.
Nash bottom bait, instant action.
That's the
Roared
result,
off.
isn't it?
Now put it down there because it's heavy, you know.
Ouais. Ouais.
Il y a combien de fonds là?
Comment?
Dans le lit de la rivière, il y a combien de fonds ici?
Oh, ben 3 mètres et demi.
Ah bah voilà, oui.
How big is it then, we call?
23 kilos, £50, just under £50.
Yeah. What was it taken on?
I can't remember then.
The instant action, isn't it?
Yeah, I won the instant action yet.
It's a beautiful fish, isn't it?
Ah.
So Briggsy, if you see this one, you never catch it, mate, because we're not telling you where it is.
Iton Mont, April 2015.
Well done, Dad.
Let's get it back, eh?
£41, yeah?
£41. Whew.
Out by the pylon, yeah?
Out by the outlet, yeah.
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 What did that fall on?
Tiger nut, orange tiger nut, mango one.
Yeah?
Bit of foam, you know.
I'll swing her around then, let's have a look at the other side of it. You're lucky, ain't you? It's your fourth one, isn't it?
Full 40, mate, yeah.
A bit on a... It's got a nice back on it.
Have a quick look at the other side of it and we let it go then.
Yeah, that's nice.
Alright,
That's a proper lump, mate.
that's proper lump, isn't it?
Yeah.
French 40, mate.
Well done, Dad. Get her back then. Good anchor.
Well behaved. Go through your legs, go through your legs, through your legs. That's it, go on. There you go.
Have it, eh?
Have it, come on!
Well, Dad, what you got here?
Well, it's a big grass carp, I'm not sure of the weight of it yet.
Yeah, what happened?
Oh, it's a right nightmare.
Snapped the net, didn't it?
Snapped the net, yeah.
Alright, then we won't keep out of the water too long. We'll get it weighed and we'll see how big it is. Well done, Dad.
I'll tell us all about it, Dan. What about this one, mate?
Dad got one by the pylon, got stuck around the back of the pylon, so he went out in the boat for it. And while he was out in the boat, his one on the far bank went off, and this is the culprit. Got that in, bullied it all the way in. While I was getting in, my rod out on the bait was going. So I netted this one, got the one out on the bait, got this one, we ain't weighed it yet, and the one what I caught out on the bait is in the retainer, and Dad's one's over there in the retainer.
Yeah, that's about 60 fish we've had there, isn't it? There's a peach, isn't he?
It's brilliant. I've got to put it down now, my wrists are going to fall off.
5 runs on the trot, and this is the 5th one. 2 got off, and we caught 3. 27, 32, and whatever this one weighs, we're at this is about 37, 38.
A bit smaller. Maybe
A bit smaller.
About 35, maybe even not that.
It's been total carnage then, isn't it?
You can take pictures, remember? Yeah.
Yeah, we'd have to get onto
Right,
Fairbrass
carnage.
and show him what carnage is really all about, you know?
When he just got back, we left the swim and left it for a couple of hours, didn't we? Rested it.
Yeah, went down to see the monks in Dompierre. Oh mate, let's have some photos in, eh?
Feels like I've got a right donkey on here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Come from out the bait, yeah?
Yeah, it come from off the spot out the bait, yeah.
Probably gone under it. We've got so many rods out here that we're having a bit of trouble trying to guide them in, you know. Alright, she's close now. Just rolled down there. On the pontoon, mate. I'll go give him a bit of assistance. You alright or what? Have it. All the fish are fighting really hard, didn't they? Yeah. Oh, she's nearly there now.
Yeah, mate.
Stand by the drink. See her coming in there. Looks like a 30. Possible 30 anyway. There she is, just coming up. It's fighting like a demon. And the majority of the fish are coming from out on the marker in the riverbed out there, which you can't see. Here you can, it's there. Yeah, with a load of instant action down there. It's really been doing the job. And it says, it does what it says on the packet, instant action, mate. Because it is instant. We got back yesterday, we went out and had a break, you know. Went out had a beer and got some more fags. We come back, bolted all the rods back out. And in a matter of 5 minutes, well, they were away.
5 runs, didn't we?
5 runs when we got back.
Time.
It was unbelievable.
Well, not literally at the same time.
While we was getting one in, we got it in, the other one was going. And we had 3 runs at the same time, because you had one on, I had one on, and the other one was taking offline.
Yeah, yeah.
But these fish are angry in here. They're about 2 to 3 weeks from spawning. So a lot of them are bedded out, big time. And they're fighting like demons. Oh, there he is. Oh, you nice one. Here she comes. It's a good 30. She's on top now. She's coming. It's game over for the fish.
Game over, mate.
She's in the back of the landing there.
Yeah, like he's sleeping down here near that.
Oh.
Oh, he's sunk to the bottom then, you won't see him.
How big is it? Oh, it's bigger than we expected. I think that ain't far off 38 pounds. There we go, after that fight, this is the result.
We haven't weighed him yet, but I think he's about 37.
Yeah.
Maybe 38.
Yeah. It's a nice fish.
Nice fish, yeah.
Thought well, didn't it?
About the average stamp of them in here.
Yeah.
They do go a lot bigger.
But that is a nice fish. Get her back in the drink, eh?
About the drink, yeah.
Yeah, there she is.
There she is.
34 pound dead on.
They want to know.
It's about the, I don't know, we've had about 15 30s now, haven't we?
Oh, yeah, I think it's more than that.
Maybe more than that.
It's getting close to 20, 30s.
Maybe 20 30s, yeah. Don't forget the 40s, you know. There she goes, mate. She just don't want to go, does she? That's it.
There she goes.